Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone Wi-Fi on and off. This video is going to be short and sweet and simple, and there's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first step is selecting, going to settings, and then you're going to tap Wi-Fi. At the top, you'll see a Wi-Fi toggle. Switch it off. And then wait 5 seconds and then switch it back on. Give it a moment to reconnect and you should see the network pop back up. If it reconnects to the wrong network, tap the network name you actually want or choose another network from the list. And that's honestly the best way and easiest that I know how to fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.